A lot of guys who can run and jump can probably shoot, but if they don't have the killer instinct or the confidence in themselves to form those skills,
I'll never lose a fight. It's impossible. Tell him. It's impossible.
Never lost a fight in your life.
I'm too fast.
Champion from
I'm the
Britain.
king. On the count.
That in order to become successful, you've got to make it your personal business to do it.
People look at champions and try and find something that that champion has that they don't have, but it's not that at all. They lack something everyone else has, which is an off button. They just don't stop.
I do not get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to lose. I expect to win. I expect it to be a great day.